Okay, let's jump on to the next highlighted feature here. This is also in Business Hub, and it's a new option that we have to access the original customer provided artwork before having to move that order into production. So this feature came about from users who want access to the artwork that's uploaded through the designer without having to move the order into production. The main example is on sites that have the quote only mode enabled. In that case, in order to even get the order into production, you would first have to convert that quote into an order by approving the quote. And what we were getting feedback is that you wouldn't necessarily want to approve the quote until you've actually seen the source artwork and made a determination as to whether that artwork is of good enough quality for you to proceed with the order. So we do have this new option, which you can find within the Actions button of a line item. Clicking that option, you'll see the new link for Design Breakdown. And this opens up a pop-up which displays the designs that have been uploaded by the customer. In this case, it looks like the line item I've got here is using a stock design. So that doesn't necessarily have a source file, but let me see if I can upload a file quickly here. And we'll take a look at how that comes through to the Designs Breakdown pop-up. So I've uploaded that design now here through the designer. And let's click back into the Design Breakdown. And we'll see now we get a list of which file was uploaded and a link to download that source artwork. So it's, again, that original file that the end consumer uploaded into the designer. And that's useful, again, if you want to review the quality of that source file and make a determination, maybe give some feedback to your customer whether that artwork needs to be adjusted prior to them approving the quote and moving it to the order stage. All right, so that one's definitely going to help out with, especially for those users that have their site in quote only mode, but they still want a way to review the artwork that's been submitted prior to moving into the order stage.